Dangin Nira, Rudekin uframevna, Neniskelkunin squa. Lesson 8. The dative case. You've been learning how to make longer and more complicated sentences, and in this lesson, you'll learn how to make them longer still. So far you've learned 3 cases: the nominative, which denotes the subject, the accusative, which denotes the object, and the vocative, which denotes the addressee. The next case you will learn is called the dative, and it denotes an indirect object. To illustrate this, let's take a sentence in English. The boy is giving the cookie to a girl. In this sentence, the boy is the subject, it is doing the giving. The cookie is the object, it is the thing being given. And to a girl is the indirect object or recipient. It is the thing to which the cookie is given. Now remember, in Dangin Nira, nominative nouns end in a, and accusative nouns end in e. The ending for dative nouns is erg. So, with some new vocabulary, we can translate that sentence. Boy is Hebrisa, to give is Beoi, cookie is Laska, and girl is Hebsuma. So the full sentence in Dangin Nira would be Nen Hebrisa Beok Hebsumerg nen Laske. Notice that the indirect object always comes before the object. Since in Dangin Nira the case ending shows that the girl is the indirect object, we don't need a word for to. Let's try another sentence. The man is throwing a rock to the woman. In Dangin Nira, to throw is Mapatoi. So the whole sentence would be Nen risa mapatok nen sumerg gungole. Adjectives also change in the dative case. The in ending changes to IGLU. So to say, a short man is giving a flower to a tall woman, you'd say Hiufin risa beok man wiglu sumerg sirie. As another example, to say the small boy is throwing apples to the sad police officers, you'd say Nen vesin Hebrisa mapatok nen mororiglu eb selfaskudokrerg eb tzetke. See how long your sentences can get now? Quickly, we'll cover one of the most powerful tools in your language arsenal, the simple past tense or perfect tense. Most conversation takes place in the past tense, so this is very useful. Remember, the tense marker for present progressive is o, and the tense marker for nomic is uhu. The tense marker for the perfect tense is ete. So let's conjugate mapatoi in the singular simple past. First person, mapatetes, I threw. Second person, mapatetem, you threw. Third person, mapatetek, he, she, or it threw. And fourth person, mapatetezer, one threw. This can also be translated as have thrown, depending on context. Now let's use the past tense. To say the girl threw a rock to the woman, you'd say Nen Hebsuma mapatetek nen sumerg gungole. Or to say the boy gave a flower to the girl, you'd say Nen Hebrisa beetek nen hebsumerg sirie. Note that the 2 e's next to each other in beetek are pronounced separately, as all vowels in Dangin Nira are pronounced separately. So, in review, the dative noun ending is erg, and the dative adjective ending is IGLU, and the simple past tense marker is ete. For instance, I gave would be beetes. That's all for now. Review the vocabulary introduced in this lesson, make sure you know it, and join us for the next video.